Dear kids, welcome to the Children's Book Education channel. Today, we are exploring the alphabet letter V. Let's have some fun and learn together.
V says V. V says V. Valentine, Valentine. V, v, v.
Let us say it together.
V says V. V says V. Valentine, Valentine. V, v, v.
Excellent, children. Shall we sing a song together?
I have a little violin, my very pretty violin. I learned to play my violin from a work video. I have a little violin, my very pretty violin. I learned to play my violin from a work video.
V is for vulture. Vulture. Volcano. Volcano. Violin. Violin. Van. Van. Venus. Venus. Vegetables. Vegetables. Vampire bat. Vampire bat.
Good job! Amazing! Butter. Well done! Great! V is for fan. Good job! Amazing! Butter. Well done! Great! V is for fan.
Dear children, you did an awesome job! You're becoming amazing readers. Each video helps you learn more sounds and words. Keep practicing, and you'll keep getting better and better. We're so proud of you. Keep up the great work, and stay excited for your next learning adventure.